Hey, hi everyone. In this particular video, we are going to learn about that how to improve the query performance using the indexes in MongoDB, right? So we already know that what indexes are and how we create them. But now we will actually see that how they make the queries faster, right? How they make the queries faster. So we will be using our same student collection from the school DB. Let me show you. So let me just take you to here. You can check. This is school DB database and the students collection, and here are all the documents. So here are 6 documents with the field name, city, and the marks, right? Fine. So let's say that I want to search for the city Delhi, right? I want to search for all the document where the city is Delhi. So I can do what? I can write here db dot students dot find, and here I'll give simply just write city as Delhi, right? Like this is how we do it, right? Now you tell me that how much time it will take to make the search, and how many document it will scan to make the search, right? This, can you tell me? Well, I know you can't, but for that purpose we use a method which is explain, right? Explain, and inside of this we write here execution stats. When you write here like this and close the bracket and press enter, now you got the execution stat of how this particular query is running, right? And inside of it, if you come here, you can see the stage is called scan, the number of item which is returned are 2, fine. The total number of documents which are examined are 6. So to return this 2 document, it has examined complete 6 documents, means it has scanned all the documents which are present just to get this 2 documents. So let's say I'm having some 10,000 documents, and inside of this, if I'm having only 2 documents, right? So will it scan all the 10,000 documents? Yes, it will scan all the 10,000 documents, which will make this complete query very much expensive, right? Very expensive. And let me just show you something more. If I'm not wrong, advanced need time. Okay, fine. It is not showing me the millisecond, right? Means execution time. Let me just search it here. Okay, yeah, you can check. Execution time millis are 8, means it has took 8 milliseconds to make this search. Fine. So we understood that by using this simple query which we were using from the last too much time, right? It is doing what? It is just scanning all the documents. It is taking 8 milliseconds to find this 2 documents which are present in my collection, right? But what if I say that you can easily reduce it? You can easily reduce it, but how? With the help of the index, right? This is what your index does. Let me show you. Just clear the screen and let's create an index. So for creating the index, we will simply write here db.students.create indexes, and inside of this I'll write the city, right? I want to make it on the city, right? City. So let's take the city here and press enter. Did I do any mistake here? Fine. db.student.create in not indexes, it will be index only, right? Yeah. And when you press enter, you can see our index is created with the city underscore one name, right? Now if I want to make the search, right? So to check the query, uh, you can now again do the same task that we did earlier, that this time after creating an index on the city field, I am again going to do this find method on the city Delhi, and then I will see the execution stats. When I press enter, now check this time. Check this time. So this is your query, right? Now if you go below, the execution stats are here, and you can see the total number of document written are 2, of course, because they matched, right? But the total document which are examined are also 2. It has not scanned all the documents which are present. It has simply got those 2 documents which were having those city as Delhi. It already knew that. That's why it has scanned only 2 and written those 2, right? And if you check for the execution time release, that is 17, but the execution stat and the total document which are scanned is just 2, which means it has reduced the searching process, right? It has reduced your searching process and the stages index scan, right? IX scan is your index scan. Fine. So this is how we do it, and I hope you understood the concept that how we perform and optimize our query performance with the help of the MongoDB indexes, right? You can check your complete query with the help of this dot explain, and inside of this write the execution stats. Fine. So yeah, this is all about today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.